The Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya ne FASTOM hakasingin Nyngkong kala pynlong ya rally jingsuk madan Malki bala pynbud de jingiaid paidbah kylleng kasor hashuwa iashong kyllain mungor ne madan. Kerkum jingiakhih kinong yalam kumba 8,000 ngut kinong hikai na kylleng ki district kajilla kintup ki bana ridum garu kilawan yasno akti ne jingiakhih ban pynbud ka Sorkar jilla bakan pintre kamno ya ka jingdawa jongki.
My name is Mungor and I'm from Garo Hills. The main demand is to upgrade all the ad hoc teachers to the deficit system or the deficit pattern. So it's not like we are demanding today. It's a long-standing demand. We are submitting a memorandum since 2019. We are submitting memorandum and we have submitted a request memorandum. Not only that. We met Chief Minister, Education Minister, Deputy Chief Minister so many times, but they never take seriously to our demands. And as we decided in our last general body meeting in Tura on 13 September 2025, we have decided to go for an indefinite sit-in demonstration, and that will be doing simultaneously in Shillong and in Tura.
Habagran chikilat pasai khubor u Vice President ka FASTOM ulapin kin mau na du usnem arja khat khandai ke Federation kala yaidawa ya ka Sorkar jilla ban kintiu kurdanno ya baro kino hikai ad hoc sha kino hikai deficit. Ula banjur ru halor ketulap badong bakatulap bayu de kino hikai kalong ke barit palat ban lap ndap penbiang ya kecingdon kam bamanla ka sngi. Habakili uni unong yalam ula kren shai baga jingiakhih daga iashong kyllain mungor kan nyai peteng pynbud watla ka shimpor daki sngi ni katayo kat baga Sorkar kampat le halor ki jingdawa bala sa teng la slembha jong ka Federation.